35 flirty questions to ask a guy to find out if he's interested. No one likes to make the first move. Why? Because of rejection. If you like a guy, go for it. You just need the right flirty questions to ask a guy. So, you like this guy, but you aren't sure if he likes you back. What do? You can wait for him to come to you, but that could take forever depending on the guy, or you can try your best to flirt with him. If you aren't an out-there type of personality, then you might want to know the best flirty questions to ask a guy. 35 flirty questions to ask a guy and get your game on. Sometimes you smoke them out instead of being out there. Although most guys aren't a big fan of questions, if you use them as a tool instead of making them feel like a tool, they can be your best weapon to get a guy hooked. These hot questions make him squirm in his chair. In a good way. Number 1. What's your sign? Open, closed, or no vacancy? If you want to ask if they are attached or actively looking, this cute little phrase lightens the moment and not make it so serious. Number 2. Geez, how many hours do you spend working out? A compliment is always an excellent way to get a guy's attention. Number 3. Should I be fearful? How many hearts have you broken already? If he knows that he is good looking, or even better he doesn't, tell him you know this isn't his first rodeo right off the bat to set a precedent. Number 4. Is it difficult to be so hot? Yep, ask him a question while telling him what you think of his good looks. Number 5. Why would a guy like you be here alone? Ever? A valid question, of course. He isn't going to tell you why he's solo. But, it lets him know you are interested and that he is attractive to you. Number 6. How has a guy like you stayed single so long? Kind of a jab. Guys are usually single for a while for a reason. If it is a broken heart, make it light. If he is a player, you will know because he probably comes back with a cheesy line that makes you think www. Number 7. How fast did you have to run to get away from the herd of girls chasing you? Find out if he is a serial monogamist or a serial player. He might give up the truth. You just never know. Number 8. Are you trying to turn me on or are you just that irresistible? Chemistry is not something that two people always mutually have. If you ask him this question, you know immediately by the look on his face if he is as attracted to you as you are to him. Number 9. Is it hard to be so wanted? Sarcastic and simple, yet, to the point. Number 10. Do you have a carry license for those guns? I know, right? So cheesy, but guys are just vain enough for it to work. Just about the oldest and corniest thing to say. But, for the shy guy who isn't used to come-ons, it definitely makes him smile at your ridiculousness and lets him know you are okay with putting your pride on the line. Number 11. You totally surpassed the friend zone. Would you consider taking it to the next level? If it is someone who you have been friends with for a while and is also your secret crush, this question just might take it to the next level and turn the heat up in your friendship. Number 12. I can feel the chemistry between us. Do you feel it too? One of the most poignant yes or no flirty questions to ask a guy because he's stuck with telling you the truth. Number 13. Do you have anything blue to wear? If so, you would totally match my bedroom. Just say it with a smile. Number 14. What do you think you would like better, dessert after dinner or breakfast in bed? If you are a little more sensual and looking for a one-night stand, then this is the perfect way to say, it's on. Number 15. If I said yes, what would you say? Let him know your interest and find out if he is too. Number 16. Do you look this hot in the morning? I would like to find out tomorrow. What do you say? 2 questions in one. This is the perfect hookup question to put him on the spot so that he can get your spot. Number 17. Is it the alcohol talking or did you say you would like to take me somewhere else? You don't want to put words in his mouth, but desperate times call for desperate measures. No. Number 18. Is the way to your heart through your stomach or do you have another route? Yep, put it all out there. Number 19. How many licks does it take to get to your center? A little old school, but I think they brought the commercial back for the millennials at some point. Exclamation mark. Number 20. What do you think about cows that give the milk for free? Hate that phrase. Yeah, me too, so point out the silliness of it by making it your pickup line. Number 21. Am I the kind of girl you take home? Girl next door or freak in the bed? He only finds out for sure by giving it a try. Number 22. If you put me in a cab, will you give the cab driver my address or come along? If you had a few too many and want to know which way the night is heading before your last nightcap, try this one out. Number 23. Do you believe in fate? Can't believe that your heartstrings are being pulled so hard. Let him know. Number 24. Should I dream in the morning about leaving with you or wake up next to you? Just sweet, wouldn't you like some guy who crushes on you to ask this question? Number 25. Do you like breakfast in bed or going out to grab it? Know right off the bat if you are making breakfast in your undies or hitting the diner. Number 26. Are you happy to see me or happy to see me? Don't give him a choice, make it for him. Number 27. Don't we go together like Jack and Coke? What is better than something a little reckless with something super sweet? Which one are you? Number 28. Are you worried if I will respect you in the morning? Turntables. They are meant to be. Number 29. Are you wondering if these are my real shoes? If he doesn't get it, then point to your boobs while you ask, because that is likely where he stares anyway. Number 30. Heads or tails? I will leave that one up to the imagination. Number 31. Are you trying to get me drunk to get me into bed? It is best to know if he liquors you up for a one-night stand or to get you loose so he can learn more about you, isn't it? Number 32. Do you like the right or left side of the bed? Make sure you know where to fall when your naked body slouches over. Number 33. You don't snore, do you? I'd like to get some time before work in the morning. Let him know that you plan on spending your night losing sleep with him. Number 34. Your place or your place? Having someone know where you live can be dangerous if it doesn't work out. Number 35. Are you always this hot or do you have a fever? Cheesy, but sometimes those silly ones work, why not give it a try? Sometimes guys are slow on the uptake. If you aren't someone inclined to make the first move, then these flirty questions to ask guys might be the best way to covertly let them know that you have them in mind. Depending on your comfortability, go the joking way or the bring it on way. It is all a matter of how far you want to take it and how interested you really are. Use one of these 35 flirty questions to ask a guy to get him to laugh, lighten his mood, or find out what he is thinking. If you want to know is it on, these questions get you the answers you crave. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.